Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background and converting that copy to a smart object so edits remain reversible. Open the image and zoom to 100% to evaluate the blur precisely, otherwise corrections will mislead you. Next, apply Filter Camera Raw Filter and use the Detail panel first, because sharpening here preserves texture and reduces artifacts. Once done, reduce masking to protect smooth areas. Make sure to toggle the preview to compare against the untouched layer as you proceed. Now focus on targeted sharpening. In Camera Raw, increase amount between 20 and 60 and keep radius low around 0. 5:1. 5 to avoid halos, then raise masking so flat areas stay smooth. If the blur is stronger, duplicate the smart layer and apply high pass at 1 to 3 pixels, set blend mode to overlay or soft light, and lower opacity until natural. Once done, use a layer mask and paint with a soft brush to limit sharpening to edges and subjects only. To finish, apply noise reduction selectively because sharpening often raises grain. Use Camera Raw noise sliders or a reduce noise filter on a duplicate. Then inspect edges at 200%, and if you see halos, gently blur the halo area with a 0.5px Gaussian blur on a masked layer. If things still look wrong, lower the sharpening layer opacity or reduce the high pass radius, because subtlety beats excess. One troubleshooting tip: if detail collapses, undo and work with smaller radius and high.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.